so surprising. How can two people think in a similar manner? I'm so surprised. After your presentation, I'm going to show you my template and you'll be shocked that how can we think in so similar manner. Anyway, let's take some other stock. Let's talk about SDFC. So can we, okay.
What's the ticker? If you could spell it out.
HDFC. So you can just type HDFC.
Is that S?
HDFC. H. Because this has been an underperforming stock for some time. Yeah, this one.
All right. Yeah, so taking a look at this chart, let's do this, follow the same process, be very methodical here, look at a weekly first. Longer term, it's been a steady grower, not super explosive. We had a really nice run back in this area, but over time, definitely trending up, and it looks like, once again, a pretty steady mover. Looking recently, it fell well off its highs here. We had some volatility here, most likely earnings, news event here. But once again, we're forming higher lows on the weekly at this point, and just kind of consolidating over the past few weeks. So with that knowledge, knowing we're well below all-time highs, or decently off all-time highs, but we're making a short-term trend upward. This looks a lot like a lot of stocks in the US market as well. Let's go on over to that daily chart.